Yesterday, the Nifty knocked the door of 26,000, but the call writers refused to open it. We hit a high of 25,989, just 11 points from 26,000, before forming a classic doji candle of indecision. While the index consolidated, the real action shifted to specific counters. Titan reported a massive 61% jump in profit, while BHEL investors are waking up to a surprise offer for sale at a discount. The setup on Wednesday is tricky. The trend is up, but the momentum is tiring. Let's decode the strategy for 11th of Feb 2026. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajayka, and welcome to the smart edition of Nifty 50 Market Analysis. We are heading into Wednesday, February 11, 2026. Tuesday was a day of distribution and consolidation after a big rally. Let's recap the market for Feb 10th. Nifty opened at 25,922, tested 26,000 wall, and settled at 25,935, up by just 67 points or 0.26%. Sensex rose 208 points to close at 84,273. Bank Nifty underperformed slightly, closing down at 0.1% at 60,626 as the hedgers booked profit in the PSU. The star of the day was the Tata Steel that surged 3% on a global metal cues, while Eternal Limited jumped 5.4%. Now let's come to the segment 1, the news you need to know. So before the opening bell, here are the 3 big developments impacting capital allocation today. And the first one is the BHEL OFS alert. The government has announced an offer for sale to sell 3% stake in BHEL. The floor price has been kept at 254 per share. Now the impact is the stock closed high yesterday, so expecting a gap down to adjust to the floor price. This will create arbitrage opportunities but drag the PSU index. Second one, Titan earnings blowout. Post-market yesterday, Titan reported a stunning 61% YOY jump in net profit to 1,684 crores. Total income is up by 40%, so watch for a gap-up opening here as the long-term investors accumulate. The third one, the Lumix Industry Circuit. Keep an eye on the auto ancillary space. Lumix Industries hit a 20% upper circuit yesterday on a strong Q3 numbers. The mid-cap momentum is alive. Let's come to the second segment, technical outlook or the doji setup. Now let's map the levels for Wednesday. The chart is screaming indecision. Nifty formed a doji on a daily chart. This means bulls and bears are equally matched at 26,000. A breakout or breakdown from yesterday's range to 25,989 will indicate the directions of the writers. Zone 1, resistance zone, the 26K wall. The levels here are 26,000 to 26,050. Strategy, call writing is highest at the 26,000 strike. If Nifty opens flat and struggles at 25,980 again, writers might initiate short positions. Call writers will start writing at 26,000. So zone 1, resistance zone, the 26,000 wall. The levels are 26,000 to 26,050. Call writing is highest at 26,000 strike. If the Nifty opens flat and struggles at 25,980, the call writers will initiate the positions with a strict stop loss at 2610. Zone 2, the support zone, the safety net. The levels here are 25,830. This was yesterday's swing low support. As long as we hold 25,830, the accumulate on dips textures remains intact. A break Below this opens the door for 25,700. Now let's come to the segment 3, FII. The institutional hand remains supportive. The foreign institutional investors bought 2,254 in the cash market on Monday. Today it's around 59 crores, but the confirmation is still pending. The FIIs are still chasing the trade deal narrative. Until they turn net sellers, short-term hedges should not fight the trend aggressively. So to conclude, today it will be all about the patience. The BHEL news will create a noise in PSU and Titan will drive consumption. Do not rush into the positions. Right in the beginning, let the Nifty choose its direction above 26,000 or below 25,830. Then you can look for your entry. My name is Ajayka and I will see you tomorrow with the latest updates that can make or break the markets. Take care of your mental and physical health. Bye-bye.